Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Kitty and today I'll be showing you guys how I do my makeup. So to start, I'm going to use this primer. I am not a primer connoisseur, so this is just the one I've been using and it seems to be working pretty decently so far. It's from Maybelline, it's called Master Prime, so just gonna apply it. I don't really have a whole lot of acne, so I'm just gonna mainly be doing my eye makeup, but I'm gonna definitely try to put on as much of a full face as possible for this video. Alright, we have the primer down. Put a little bit on my cheeks too. Forgot about that. So we're gonna put some blush on. And I use my hands a lot, so I definitely washed my hands before I started this because, you know, don't want to catch COVID. That would be horrible. So gotta maintain that hand hygiene. So one of the first steps I do is I grab my concealer, have the NYX one, and just apply it. I add like just a few dots because I don't like to waste product, and also I don't need that much, to be honest. And normally, I would put some concealer under my bags, but this concealer isn't exactly the right skin tone for me, and my bags aren't that bad, so I'm gonna be like a little lazy and not cover up the bags under my eyes. Okay, next we're going to be applying some eyeshadow. This one is from L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted, and I'm going to be using this type of brush and going more for kind of like a natural but a little bit pink and rosy look. So I like to start on the outside and then just kind of make a little line right there. Kind of messed up. I'm actually really much better at this, but it's hard when I'm looking at the camera and then also the mirror, so I might just use the mirror instead. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm trying to make just the outline of the outer wing right now, so just kind of marking it like that. Then with a smaller brush, my favorite is this brush. It's the M213. It's actually like getting a little worn away because I use it so much. I tend to like smaller brushes because I have more control. And then some people do the little dab thing where they dab off the excess powder, and I actually do that because I don't like it to appear too like too cakey, so I do the little dab. And then you kind of just fill in the shape that you want. Do a little more. Just like that. I underestimated how difficult this would be with my current setup. But we're gonna make it work because that's what we do on this channel. Okay. just keep blending and blending. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we can go in with the concealer and clean it up later. So, and then I'm actually going to reuse this brush, but I just clean it off a little by like dabbing it on a tissue. And then I'm going to use the same brush and then take a lighter color and then apply it on the inside of my eye. And then, yeah, just like that. Oh shit, a little bit on my eyelash. Because when you put lighter colors on the inside, it really helps your eye to pop. But as you can see, I'm not going quite into the very inside of my eyelid because I notice if you put a lot of product on the inside, then it can kind of make your eyes water. So once I get down to the very inner part of my eye, I just go really lightly and try to brush away to not get too much product on the inside of my eye. And now with this super tiny brush, it's a M217 of the Morphe eye brushes. I'm going to try to clean up this like outer wing because this one looks kind of bad. So creating a good shape. Now it's a little longer than that one. But we can fix that too. And actually this is a good learning opportunity for you guys so you can see, because everyone who does makeup, I guarantee you they don't do it right the first time. Like there's always little things you gotta fix. So you guys are getting a treat so you can see how to fix mistakes too. So I'm gonna put a dab of concealer on the back of my hand and then just take a little bit, put the brush in it a little bit to get just enough concealer in order to clean up this. And you see, I'm like just doing enough to shorten the wing and make it look extra snatched, as they would say on Drag Race. And then I'm gonna take this brush, because this brush is a little bit better for evening out the contour. The primer, concealer afterward. Oh my, look at me. My makeup vocabulary is all over the place. I apologize. This is my first time doing like I've done a lot of TikTok makeup tutorials, but not a lot of YouTube ones. So it would have been good to do a practice run before going cold turkey, but it is what it is. And yeah, so those wings are pretty good, not too shabby. And then always good to blend to get the exact shape you want. And now we have the eyeliner I'll be using, which is Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner. And what I do is I kind of like, it comes, when you originally take the brush out, it has a lot of product on it. So I try to get a little bit off as I'm taking it out of the bottle, because I like to do a really skinny line and not super dark. So, and then I also take the brush and then just kind of like dab it off on a tissue paper, because I don't want a huge clump to be on there. Now I'm just going to carefully this is a really weird angle. Up like that. And I need to get a little bit more on the brush. like that. Alright, so I did a little bit of work off camera, but you can see it looks much more even now, and I did apply the eyeliner to the second eye. So now for the more easy part. Eye makeup is really hard, trust me. Like, I have to like really get down into the mirror and just like concentrate so much for that. And now I'm gonna take this big old brush from Sonia Kashuk. I don't really know that brand. And then this blush right here. And same dab a little product and then tap it off. And then apply it right here. Oh god, that's way too much. Jesus. Thank god. Look. Look, I look like I just got slapped in the face. But it's okay. And you kind of like swipe up a little bit because, and if you want to get more product off the brush, you just use a tissue, kind of like bang it off a little bit. I never noticed how weird I look, like when I try to like get different angles of my face, I like open my mouth and it looks weird. So this is probably why applying makeup is usually a very private affair amongst people. And like, I don't know, if there's too much on there, I kind of just dab it off. Like, yeah. And then I'm probably gonna fix it up a little bit more too. That's pretty good right there. I think that pink spot is actually a blemish of mine, so that's not blush, it's just Miss Kitty Ann. And then I absolutely love this, which brand is it? Maybelline. I guess I have a lot of Maybelline stuff. This is really good mascara. It really pops. I got this other one from CoverGirl and it wasn't good at all, and it even smelled weird. So yeah. Everyone applies theirs differently, but this is how I do mine. Just kind of like lightly go in there. And you see how it gets the little lift. And sometimes it doesn't work super great, and I go in, like sometimes my eyelashes are going like weird directions, and then I use this little E29 to like get them going the right way. So yeah. Next I'm going to do this lipstick. From Color Sensational. So exciting. It's good to kind of like apply either the top or the bottom first and then just like boop, go like that. It makes it easier. This is a nice little pink. And that looks pretty good. I don't know about what you guys think, but I'm digging it. And last but not least, we have this Found makeup spray spritzer. It actually works pretty well to keep it on your face, the makeup. So you just shake it. There's something a little wrong with this pump, but there we go. And voila, we have our finished makeup look. And I actually really love how the colors turned out for this one. I think gold, for some reason, looks really nice, especially on my skin tone, because it just makes you look like a radiant goddess. And so yeah, I really hope that you guys like this tutorial. I know it was kind of like a shit show. This is my first time doing like an official makeup tutorial. So if you guys like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I also have several other social media accounts you can follow me on: Instagram, TikTok, and I also have a Facebook, which is kind of dead, but if you want, you could follow me on there too. I'll provide a list. Thank you so very much for watching, and if you have other things that you would like to see me do on my channel, please comment in the comments what type of things you want to see me do, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye.